So, if you got a kind of rumbly, grumbly noise in the front of your car and or even the back, and you think it's brakes, since well, that shouldn't do that. Yeah, the wheel bearing's shot, so we're gonna get that fixed. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but if you look here, that's what's moving right there. And come back here, you can kind of see too. Let's see, get the light in there. So this is what's holding the wheel on your vehicle, besides obviously the wheel studs, but this is what holds it to the actual vehicle. That fails. This wheel bearing fails completely. All it's holding is CV axle, and CV axle will not hold it on. And just like that, we got a brand new wheel bearing in there, and it's no more loosey-loosey. Although I might have to, I'm gonna have to get one of these, the wheel speed sensor, because that one looks like it's been adjusted. I wonder why.